kitties. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on Roblox at Shandera. And let's get into the video. Hello, welcome to Da Vinci Financial. How can I help you? Oh yes, I will get all the copies to Megan right away. Oh no, miss, she's actually the junior analyst at our company. She handles everything when our senior analyst is out. Right now he is actually on vacation, so I will let Megan know. Well, thank you so much for calling Da Vinci Financial, and you have a great day and a wonderful weekend. Bye! Megan!
Oh, Amber, I was just about to come talk to you. I was wondering if you have the spreadsheets and the reports ready for Monday's meeting.
I am almost done. They should be ready by, Monday.
Perfect.
Oh, by the way, I just got off the phone with one of our clients. She wanted me to let you know that she had her lawyer look over the contract and she has signed it. Here are the copies. I told her the senior analyst is on vacation.
When is he not on vacation?
Yeah, I told her you handle everything, so she's expecting a call from you.
Well, it's Friday and I'm not in the mood for it. Hey, Amber, do you want to go get a drink? It's the weekend.
Me? Oh, no, I can't. You know I have the girls.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You're a mom. You don't act like it.
Well, let me finish these reports before I go.
Oh, Amber, come out here for a second.
Okay.
Look at what I got.
Oh, wow, you got a Tesla?
Yes, I did. I can't wait until that imbecile gets back from his sick vacation in 3 months. He will be so mad when he realizes I took all of his bonuses and bought this sweet baby. Yeah, all he talks about is Tesla this and Tesla that. Anyways, do you think Tesla is finally happy that his work is being recognized after all of these years?
Well, they do say no one truly acknowledges you and your accomplishments until you're gone. But you know what, Megan? That's one sweet ride.
True. You sure you don't want to get a drink?
I can't. Who's going to watch the girls?
Well, good point. Don't stay too late. Bye.
I won't. You have a good weekend. Bye, Megan. Oh, shoot. Look at what time it is. Let me go get the girls. I can't afford Mrs. Kim's late fees. I will finish these reports up when I get home.
Amber, there you are. I was getting worried.
Yeah, I was finishing up a few reports for a meeting we are having at work. I didn't realize it was getting late.
Well, did you finish?
No, I will finish them up this weekend. I am hoping it can be a little bit of a relaxing weekend.
Yeah, good luck.
Oh, wow! This is horrifying. What happened?
Yeah, Amber, we need to talk.
Miss Kim, did my girls really do all this? I am so sorry. Do you want me to help you clean?
No, don't worry about it. But I know the girls are turning 2 soon, right?
Yes, they are growing up so fast.
Yeah, Amber, it's time for them to help clean up their messes if they make them.
What do you mean?
One of my other parents I talked to last week had the same issue. Well, she got her daughter and son a star chart, and when it's clean up time, they sing a song until the mess is picked up. You know that song, clean up, everybody, everywhere, clean up, everybody do your chores. You know that song, they sing that. And then after each gets a star, and at the end of the week, the more stars they get a surprise.
I think I will try it.
Perfect. See if you like it. If you need any help, Amber, just let me know. Yay!
No, Mama. Can you say Mama? Okay, girls. girls, let's go. Say bye to Miss Kim.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ava. Bye-bye, Bella. Good luck, Amber.
Okay, girls, Mommy is gonna get changed and then I will cook dinner. Now, girls, try not to make a big mess, okay?
No.
Oh, girls! Mommy said not to make a big mess. Look at this. Okay, girls, I'm going to clean the kitchen. After we will pick up all your toys. Finally, the kitchen is done. Okay, girls, are you ready to clean up your mess?
No.
Oh gosh, what should I do? What did Miss Kim say? I got it, girls. Let's play a game. We are going to play the cleanup game, you guys. So no running around the house. Clean up. Are you ready? Here is how the game is going to go. The first one to pick up the most toys and put them away wins a gold star. Okay, girls, are you ready? On your march, get set, go! Okay, yay! Mommy won the gold star. I'm just playing with you two. Here's a gold star for you, Ava. And here is your gold star, Bella. Keep it up, and by the end of the week, you girls will get a surprise. Oh, girls. Are you ready to get up and start the day? You two are up early this morning. Do you want Mommy to make you breakfast? Okay, girls, let's get ready and then I will make you breakfast. Oh my God, girls! Look at this mess you made. I am shocked. I can't believe you two. Okay, we are going to clean up this mess and then get ready to start the day. No, girls. You made this mess and you need to help me clean it up, okay? Oh no. What do I do? Okay, girls, we're going to play the cleanup game again. And Mommy will give you your surprise. Are you ready for your surprise, girls?
Yay!
Okay, girls, close your eyes. 1, 2. I wonder who is calling me. Hello? Yeah. Okay, I will be there as soon as I can. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, girls, Mommy has to go to the office for a bit. I guess I will take you two with me. Can you be a good girl for Mommy when we get to the office? Oh, crap. I need to get you two ready to go. Let's get changed, girls. Girls, what did you do to this room? You naughty girls. Let me clean this up before we go. I'm going to make you two sleep in here soon. Oh, girls. Mommy's just kidding. You will sleep with me forever. Let's hurry and go. No, Bella. This is Mommy's job. You will need to be a good girl. Okay, girls, let's head up the stairs. Now, girls, please stay in here and don't make a mess, okay? Mommy will be downstairs working for a bit. Stay right here, okay? Aw, you are such good little girls. Mommy loves you. Welcome to Da Vinci Financial. How can I help you?
Amber, is that you?
May I ask who I'm speaking to?
Amber, it's me, Megan.
Oh, Megan, I'm sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'm just shocked that they sent you into the office to help me. I'll be there in a bit.
Oh, that's fine. I have the girls in the break room watching TV. They are really good, so they shouldn't bother us at all.
Yay! I finally get to meet your girls. I'll let you go. I'm on my way. Amber, are you almost finished?
Yes, I'm finishing up the last 2 pages, and it should take me about 45 minutes to do.
Perfect. Just give them to me when you're all done.
Welcome to Da Vinci Financial. How can I help you? He is out of the office until next Monday. I can pass you over to his assistant if you like, sir. No, I'm sorry, but we don't do that here. Goodbye. Megan, I am done with the reports for Monday's meeting. Here you go.
Perfect. You're a lifesaver. By the way, your girls are super quiet. I didn't hear them at all. They are really good girls.
Wait, what? Oh no! Oh my god, where are they?
Amber, what's going on?
Oh my god, I forgot about them. Now they're gone. I am such a bad mother. I should have said no. I can't believe this.
Okay, calm down, Amber, calm down. They couldn't have gone far. I'll check the whole office building, and you can go look in the supermarket across the street to make sure they didn't get lost, okay?
Oh my god, Megan, you think they left the building?
I don't know, but it's better to be safe than sorry, okay?
Fine. Ava, Bella, are you down here? Oh, Ava, Bella, where are you? Mommy's looking for you.
Amber?
Huh? Oh, Eli!
Hey, I didn't expect to see you here.
Yeah, have you seen the twins in here?
No.
How long have you been in here?
I've been in here for 15 minutes. Why?
You didn't see the girls anywhere?
No. Why?
Oh, thank God!
Is everything okay?
I don't know, but I will call you later, okay?
Amber, wait!
Bye, Eli!
Oh my god, you didn't tell me you had twins. They are so cute and adorable. They were in the bathroom.
Oh no! Did they make a mess?
Yes, but the custodian will clean it up. Don't worry about it. You want me to take you home?
No, I'm gonna take the girls to go get dinner.
Oh, by the way, there's a new bakery that just opened up. My family knows the owner. You should check it out. I'm sure the girls would love it.
Oh, really? Where is it?
Oh, it's downtown.
Oh, wow, that's close to where we live. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Don't worry about it. Girls, take care and be good to your mommy. Bye.
I'm Megan, and thank you for everything. Okay, girls, do you want sandwiches for dinner? Ooh, and let's get some cute desserts to go with it. Now, Ava, do you want this one? Yeah. Bella, do you want the same one as Ava? No. Bella, no. No. Okay, girls, let's go pay and sit and eat. Let's eat outside, okay? Hello, how are you today? Will that be all for you? Yes. That will be $26.80. Here you go. Thank you for coming to our family bakery, and you have a great day. Bye. Good night, Bella. Mwah, Mommy loves you. Oh, crap. I need to call Eli.
Hello?
Hey, Eli. It's me, Amber.
Oh, Amber, you called me.
Why would I not call you back, silly?
How did everything go? Are you okay? Do you need me to help you with anything?
What do you mean?
Well, you were pretty frantic at the grocery store and just bolted out of there so quickly. What happened?
Oh, I almost forgot. I took the girls to work and left them in the break room. I realized it was kind of quiet and they had disappeared. Luckily, I had help and we found them.
Not again.
I should be used to it by now.
Well, you will never get used to it.
Did your kids do the same thing?
Huh? What do you mean, kids?
You know, did your... Oh, shoot, Eli. I forgot to put Ava to bed. I gotta go.
Oh, okay. Well, please tell Ava I said goodnight. And same thing with Bella. Good night, Amber.
Bye. Sorry. Let's go to bed, Ava. I'm exhausted. Good night, Ava. Mommy loves you. Mwah.